Dollar Trees are really good and some are really bad. I can't remember how bad this one is, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna show you my grocery list. The list I got. Can y'all see that? Doubt it. Let me put it down here. I can't even see the screen. That's really it, y'all.
That's it.
We're gonna see how bad it is. Hopefully I can get just a little bit of things to you know, make my house look a little bit more festive. But I'm also getting some things for tonight, so I'm bringing y'all along with me for this little bake sale that these girls are doing. So hopefully it turns out really, really well. But I gotta get a tablecloth for that, and I gotta pick up a table. So let me go ahead and go in here. I'll show y'all how bad it is, or good. I don't know. I really don't know. If it's not that great, then I'm gonna go into a different one down the street. Y'all, eucalyptus, I ain't tried no Dollar Tree brand, but this joint help you go to sleep if you put it in a wax warmer. Just turn it on before it's time to go to sleep. You'll sleep all night. Let me see if it get clear. I don't know why it's not clearing up. There we go. I'm gonna try it. What y'all know about this? Not this kind specifically, but this brand. My sister love it. It's so soft. I might try some shea buttermilk. Caress is always a good one. Top tier.
Sensational.
All right, I'm gonna have to chill because I sure did get 4 markers, and this is $1.25 now, so I can't go crazy. Get your shopping done at Dollar Tree. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Nobody would ever know. Okay, I'm super curious if this is the same one that's off TikTok. Don't try it though. Can't go wrong. I tried to got self-checkout, and I was just thinking, ain't no way they would ever put a self-checkout in Dollar Tree, but all right, y'all, we made it to the Christmas stuff. I'm not even gonna cap. What is this cute? But to spend money on something that I only use for a season, I really like this though. I can use this anytime. Always gonna be merry. Look at the thumbnail. Merry. That ain't good though. I don't know like this. It's hard to see still. Alright, let me get against the like that. Like that. Can y'all see that? Alright. Okay, we get a little LED brush tree. How you turn it on? Dang, this up here, isn't it? Alright, let's try this one then. It'll take batteries? Yeah, I got some batteries. It's cute. That's real cute. I don't have no tree. Maybe I should go take a tree from the house. Let's see if I can set this whole up. See me, I doubt it. Oh, that might be alright. So let me test out this little light since I got a moment. It looks the same. Look, this color is really pretty. Oh. Okay. And I got another charger. What kind of charger is this? A old USB, what it's called. Not USB-C, a micro USB type of thing. Come on, one of them. Y'all see that? Anyways, hope so.
I hope so.
Okay. I hope so. Alright. Here it is. It looks exactly the same as far as it being able to clip on my phone right now, because my phone has a big oh, okay, now I'm lying. That's pretty that's pretty wide. Alright, so what does it say do? I'm just gonna assume I press this button. That's it? Is that let me see what it say. Power and brightness button, high, middle, low, charging light indicator, universal clear, micro USB. ultra white LED. So I don't think this is the same one, but okay. That's high. That's off. I don't think this is the same thing, but I'm about to let me see if it illuminate me. I mean, let me do it like that. It ain't that dark out here, but it's in the frame. How we looking? Let me put it on here. Let me first turn it off so I can see the difference. Put it on here. Okay, do it fit? Barely. Okay, but it's on though. Let me make sure I'm still recording. Okay. Yeah, I am. Okay, this is not on. And it's, I mean, you can see outside and the sun's going down. Here is low, pointless. I don't think I'm seeing anything. Let me look at myself. Nah. Dollar Tree. No. Not the same. Not even close. Go ahead and I don't even know how I got in this situation. Got the table, but you know I was looking for a little tree. Oh, let me not expose. Okay. Yeah, it's perfect.
She ain't want to see in here.
You know I'm doing the vlog.
I'm cleaning this room out.
She a real one, y'all. She always be watching the
I'm
vlogs.
getting ready to throw out these.
I can do my shopping right here. Look at these boots. Ooh. Now, somebody got some good style now. This little kitten heel, but that's all right. That's all right. I could have got my tablecloth right here. I mean, ain't had to go nowhere, really, did I? I could have just.
That's the one I'm gonna use.
I could have just came here.
Oh my God.
Oh, let me help instead of watching you. Actually, no, you got. I'm gonna make a path for you.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see here. Let me take the cords first.
I guess that still work.
You guess? Well, let me plug it up and see. Let me tiptoe out of here. I done dropped something. Oh Lord. Let me. Let's see when the phone's recording on. A what? She what? Well, how long ago was that? All right then. I didn't want it then. I don't need it, 'cause, you know. But I was just at Dollar Tree talking about I can't justify buying something I'm only going to use for a season. I don't like cluttering up my space like that. Okay, I'm struggling.
That won't be big enough.
No, yeah, this is perfect.
Oh, you got to plug it somewhere.
Oh yeah, I got plenty of plug-ins. So I'm all right.
Right
Oh, hold on now. I'm trying to set up my camera. Every day.
Set up your camera.
Every day is a oh, that ain't gonna work. Anyways, I think it's cute. Yeah. All right. Back to what we were doing. I did not mean to.
Hold all the water out.
I didn't even mean to add this in the thing, but Mary VLOGMAS. Hey, y'all ever seen Aquafina in a can?
Oh, we got to have bread.
Apparently that's specialty luxury.
Trinity, I mean, Tiffany, her bread by itself.
Yeah, I just wanted a little extra cornbread. Hey, purified. I don't know, y'all. It is good water. I'm telling you that. Y'all let me know your favorite water brand.
In them bags.
Aquafina,
So
if you watching this, you ain't that pure. And you not that perfect. Even if you in a can.
Don't,
But I need to drink more water.
don't hold it from the bottom.
Hey, y'all be quiet. Sweating being a businesswoman, trying to run everything. You see, it's a lot. All right, y'all, since I can never get my face in the clip, which is why I need a new camera, like I keep saying. But this is without the ring light on. I got it right now. I'm trying not to get caught, but I'm about to turn it on for y'all. Y'all can see. On bright. There we go. So I hope I don't get caught up. I'm gonna put it down here. I think the bake sale was pretty good. I think they said it was about $50. I had other stuff done in the bake sale, which is like, that's whack. But anyway, I'm wrapping this video up right here. Thanks for watching. If y'all want to go see those pre-pandemic cruise videos, I did not mean to put up. I really did not mean for those to go public, but they are. Just let you know, I wasn't trying to spam y'all with episodes, but I'm gonna call that VLOGMAS because at this point, yeah, it's really hard to do a video a day and have something important to say. So anyways, overall the bake sale, I think they did a good job. Y'all see my tree in the back. I gotta try to decorate some of the apartment just a little bit, I guess. And yeah, I'm stressed, so I got a headache and it's getting worse. Let me go ahead and close this down before I get caught up by the police. Hopefully I'm getting my face because I seem to not ever do so. Anyways, bye. Let me turn this light off.